Hi, I am Sailesh. We are here today to show you our new project Sun City Homes. We have a spacious lobby designed with single white marbles and rustic modern tiles to welcome the guests. We have 3 elevators. The lift lobby complements the design of the main lobby. The building has a total of 97 car parks on ground and podium floors. As we now move to the second floor, along with the apartments, the second floor also has a 8,000 square feet of garden with pergolas and children play area. There is a full-fledged gymnasium on the same floor. What is more, it comes with a small childcare space for families and young children. We have 1 and 2 bedroom apartments in Sun City Homes. All units are typical. Let us view a 2 bedroom show apartment. There is a closed kitchen with cabinets and RO water filter. All 2 bedroom apartments have 2.5 toilets, 2 ensuite and 1 guest toilet. Bedrooms have spacious wardrobes. The only difference in a 1 bedroom layout is that it has 1 less bedroom. In Sun City Homes, we have designed our own smart home system. You can operate your lights using the iSmart app. You can operate your thermostats using the iSmart app. We have additional safety features like the video doorbell. The video doorbell is integrated with your app. Whenever someone comes home, you get a notification on your phone and you can also see who has come and also speak to them. We also have additional safety features in case of a gas leak or a smoke in the kitchen. You will get notified on your phone. Art forms a very important part in all our projects. It adds character to the buildings we make. This time we wanted to highlight the values that make UAE and Dubai such a wonderful place to be in. Service, unity and tolerance define the core values of the city we stay in. When you have an attitude of service towards people, you build a great society. Over 200 nationalities live in the UAE in complete harmony and unity. This place is also a model for tolerance for the world to learn from. Service, unity and tolerance open doors to happiness. These quotes remind you of the wonderful place we stay in. As you go into the lift lobby, you will find the word happiness written in over 16 languages throughout the corridor. As you walk past, the passage looks like a gallery. As the residents enter, there is a signage which says "Enter Happiness" to welcome them. A note of gratitude to all and our best wishes for the upcoming future. Thank you.